Hello and welcome to this video that I have been looking forward to making for a while, and it was actually almost a year of waiting and searching for a pair of Adidas Samba OG, and finally I got a pair, but it's the vegan version instead of the OG. Honestly, I have been seeing this shoe before, but I never really paid too much attention to it until the Jerry Lorenzo effect. Jerry Lorenzo, the owner of Fear of God, signed with Adidas back in December of 2020, and he hinted at the partnership by posting a picture of him wearing the Adidas Samba OGs. And after that image, he made the Samba an instant grail, with other celebrities joining the train, not to mention collaborations to the shoe with the likes of Wales Bonner. Also, to those who don't know, the Samba silhouette is originally a line that is made for football or soccer in North America, and the Samba OG came about later as a casual lifestyle sneaker. This pair is made out of a white vegan leather that makes up the whole shoe, hence the name Samba Vegan. The toe box has a suede-like material. Both sides of the shoe have the Adidas 3 stripe in black, as well as the heel tab. Also, the Samba text is imprinted on the outer side of the shoe next to the stripe. The tongue of the shoe has the blue Adidas logo. The insole has green text imprinted on it and a green vegan logo. The shoe also makes use of a gum sole. I don't have the Samba OG on hand, but based on images, the only difference that I can find is the color of the text on the insole. Other than that, everything seems to be identical. Also, the previous Samba Vegan had the vegan logo embossed on the rear quarter side of the shoe, and I really prefer not having it, which is really great on the new vegan that I got here. The Samba runs a little narrow, but I got mine in my true to size, which is a US 7.5, but I think I can get away with a US 8. My recommendation is to go half size up for most people, especially to those with wide feet. Comfort wise, the shoe does not really have a lot of cushion and is flat, so after wearing it for longer periods, it gets a little uncomfortable, but it's bearable and it's not as bad as it would cause blisters on your feet. I got my pair for retail off of Adidas website when it restocked in May. It retails for 100 Canadian dollars, and since I have 20% discount for being an Adi Club member, I got mine for $88 only, which is really great and making the wait even more worth it. So here is an on-feet look of the shoe.
Sentir la musique, je peux sentir le jazz, ça me fait quelque chose.
Et la musique classique, ça vous fait quelque chose?
Oh, pas tellement. La musique classique, c'est pour la tête un peu. Et le jazz, c'est pour le corps.
I am really happy to get my pair. This is probably one of my grails. I just really love how minimalistic and clean it looks and pairs nicely with any outfit, not to mention it was only $88, which is pretty hard to beat if you ask me. I definitely recommend this if you are eyeing the Samba, and also I might have to get the Samba Vegan in black and other colorways that will come in the future. Stay tuned for my upcoming styling video for the Samba. I am definitely excited to get creative with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and until next time, stay safe, stay fitted, peace.